Hello guys, welcome to Miscellaneous UPC. Today we are going to know about the vaccines. We are being vaccinated, right? We need to know what we are being vaccinated, right? What we are being injected. So today we will know different types of COVID vaccines. By naming, I'm just naming COVID vaccine, but these are types of vaccines technology on the different basis different COVID-19 vaccines are being manufactured. Let us know different types of these technologies, okay, how they are being inculcated into our body. Okay, first we will know what is the basic definition. This is simple, right? A vaccine is a biological preparation that improves immunity to particular disease, that is COVID-19. Disease is COVID-19. And what is the virus? SARS coronavirus virus 2, right? Next, a vaccine is typically contained an agent that resembles a disease-causing microorganism is often made from the weakened or killed forms of one of the microbes. This is one type, that is inactivated. This is the definition, meaning inactivated type. Okay, that is a one type of vaccine. Okay, first, before knowing what types of vaccines, we need to know how actually this coronavirus is affecting humans. First, we need to know about its structure. Okay, are you able to see this thing, right? See, this is ACE receptor, right? ACE receptor, it is present in lungs, even many organs it is present. Let us, through which organ we are being infected? That is lungs. So we need to know about this lungs. So in that, there is a ACE receptor, which is like a lock. Suppose this is a lock. This is lock, and this is ACE receptor. So to enter our room, that is our lungs, there is a key. That is what this main thing, how coronavirus is attacking. With this spike protein, it is getting connected. See, this is getting connected, and after that, this virus will replicate. Okay, replicate. Sorry, replicate. So you need to know this thing. For virus to replicate, it need a host. Here, who is the host? That is human. Okay. So from this thing, what did you understand? If we eliminate this spike protein, there is no infection. That is the main behind this motor behind this COVID-19 vaccine. So most of the vaccines technologies being produced on this COVID-19s are targeting this spike protein, this key. So what they're doing, they're preparing the vaccine which gives us the immune antibodies which will attack this spike protein, and what it will lead, that is inactive replication. There is no replication of virus, and that person will not be infected with coronavirus. That is the main thing. So spike protein is our target of vaccines being produced. So on this target, there are different types of technologies, different varieties of ways to produce vaccine. Now we will understand what those are, what what are those types. Okay, next, fine. So this is the thing. We need to eliminate this spike protein. How we will do that? See, there are different types. I already told. What are those types? One is DNA type, and another one is mRNA. This is the thing for which many countries are competing, right? This technology is with Europeans, that is West. Most of the Western pharmaceutical companies have this technology. That is the reason. Because with this, any mutation can be easily addressed. That is the main confidence of that European and mostly American pharmaceutical companies, because this with this technology they can change the message and make the vaccine according to the mutation. That is the main reason they want to hold the monopoly over the technology. Which things we hear? Pfizer, Moderna, right? These are the things connected with mRNA. This can be a potential things because they may ask which kind of mRNA vaccines are there. Coronavirus, okay, viral vector. That is what AstraZeneca, what we called it, Covishield. Next, inactivated. Don't these are unnecessary, but what we need to know is that is Covaxin. Covaxin Bharat Biotech produces inactivated type of vaccine. Okay, this is necessary. We did not come across DNA vaccines because few pharmaceutical companies are producing that, but mostly viral vector, that is Covishield, Covaxin, and mRNA we need to know. Okay, even Sputnik 5, right? That is a viral vector. Okay, vector means it is a vehicle. Okay, remember that. Now we will go into detail. First, we will know about this viral vector. Okay, suppose we inject these coronavirus virus into the humans. What it will do? It will replicate and cause the same disease as COVID-19. In that, rather than doing that, we will go with another method. What is that? We will take the main part of that coronavirus. What is that? Spike protein. Okay, that genes, take that genes. Have explained how this that is genetic engineer works, right? They will join with the ligase and cut that with a restriction protein, right? Remember that thing. Next, for what they have done, this AstraZeneca Oxford and Sputnik Russia. Okay, what they have done? First, they took a virus which is present in chimpanzee, which what does it do? That produces cold in chimpanzee, but it is not uh, fatal to humans. Okay, what they have done? They have taken this chimpanzee virus and engineered the proteins, spike protein. How they you may doubt, if we introduce same protein, what will happen? It will replicate, and but this engineered virus, this chimpanzee virus, modified virus, will not replicate, and it is safe for humans. See, so what is the vehicle here? That is chimpanzee virus. So they engineered with spike protein, which our immune system will figure out, make a plan so that it will address this spike protein. So they are ready. The immune system is ready with antibodies, right? Antibodies. So when coronavirus enters, this already ready-made antibodies will attack that thing. That is the thing. See, modified chimpanzee virus is being injected, vaccinated to this person. Then after that, chimpanzee virus will enter and produce what? Spike protein, and our immune system will see the protein fragments per the immune system to produce antibodies that can protect when a real virus, that is coronavirus, will enter our body. Simple. These are being the produced after vaccination, right? These will protect us from this coronavirus. That is a simple thing. This is being implemented with Covishield and Sputnik 5. Within a few months, Dr. Reddy will produce, that pharmaceutical company will produce this Sputnik 5. So we need to know what are being we injected with, right? Basic knowledge. Next, Covishield. This is very simple. They are directly injecting the coronavirus, but it is killed. Killed by using certain chemicals. They will kill it, and they will directly inject into our body. See, if you observe that bottle, whole virion and inactivated coronavirus vaccine. Simple, right? From that you can understand, from the bottle you can understand that the virus is being inactivated, that is killed. So that person will come into human body. Our immune system will figure out, make a plan, what kind of antibodies we need to produce. They will be equipped with these antibodies. When the real virus enters, it will destroy them. But that is the thing. Okay, that is the main behind this Covaxin. Next, Pfizer. This is important because they are maintaining a monopoly over these things, right? They are not at all giving their technology. They are not at all transferring the technology to other pharmaceutical companies because they want to maintain that monopoly and gain higher profits. That is the main motto of these companies. Okay. Which company produced this Pfizer? That is BioNTech. Another one is Moderna. Both are publicly financed, but they what they for to keep their reputation, what they say is they themselves have given the R&D all those stuff, but most of the uh, investment happened from public fund. That is the thing. Okay, a lot of controversies are happening. Pharmaceutical companies are reluctant to give the transfer, right? Technical transfer, right? What is happening? Even Biden has given the waiver that we will be giving waiver over this vaccine, but these pharmaceuticals are showing some reluctance. So we there is still going on, but we don't know what will happen. So these are a type of mRNA. What is this mRNA? Before that, we will understand. See, so what is this? M stand for this is a message. This means message RNA, ribonucleic acid. Okay, that is the thing. So, what actually this RNA do is in our body. Suppose what this RNA does. Suppose we met with some injury. Okay, we fell down and there is a injury. Okay, to replace that we need a protein, right? That is skin we need. Then this mRNA will give message that we need to produce protein to fill that skin. So what are these ribosomes? Okay, this RNA, that message will go into this ribosomes and protein will be produced. This protein, what is, we know, right? People who exercise will be knowing that taking high amount of proteins will give them good muscles. How they are coming? Through proteins. See, whatever the muscle is being produced due to proteins. So this message will give rise to proteins. Okay, that is the thing. So okay, what is our main target here? Coronavirus, spike protein, right? Spike protein. So what happens here is, first, see, okay, let us go into the picture how actually this mRNA COVID-19 vaccine works. First, these companies produce a message. This is artificially produced message in their R&D. Okay, to so technology they produce a message. They will inject through vaccine into our body. So this message that gives, what will this message be? Hey body, produce spike protein, spike proteins. So this is a message of message to our body to produce spike protein. So we are targeting everywhere, we are targeting spike protein. So what will this ribosome will do? This will change its structure and produce spike proteins. Spike proteins. So after seeing these antigens, see what are antigens? Any foreign body entering our body is antigen. Let it be virus, okay, dust, dust. So if we take dust, what will get? Sneezes, right? We need to get rid of them. So that is what happens. Fungus, bacteria, all these are antigens. Okay. Here, what is the antigen? That is coronavirus or spike protein. So after witnessing these things, our immune system will get active and produce antibodies against this spike protein. So we got ready-made antibodies to attack this SARS coronavirus we if we come in contact with any infected person. That is the thing. Okay, simple, right? All what we are doing is to attack that spike protein. That is a key to our body. Okay, so simple change. Why so much popularity for this mRNA? Why? Why people are getting so much shock over this? See, simple change message for whatever mutation, but needs state of art technology. Suppose, see, what did you see? Suppose there is a change in virus. So, simply changing this message will change the type of protein, right? according to the mutation. So simple, right? So there is a technology which easily change this message. So if we include it, whatever the mutation is getting being coming to the world, according to that we can produce mRNA. So they are readily with some technology, simply message like, okay, to our body. That is the thing. So simply changing message for whatever mutation, okay, but need state of art technology which US pharma has not willing to pass on and lose their monopoly. That is what I am saying. See what these people are saying, if we are if our government has asked us some technological transfer to Indian pharmaceutical company, because we know, right, India is a hub of manufacturing, right? Generic companies, lot of generic companies are here. We produce vaccines at low cost. What they are saying, why they are reluctant to give this technology, first they are saying is, for production of this mRNA COVID vaccine, they need 82 components. This is what they are saying, which they are getting from all over the world. This is the reasons these pharma companies are saying. Next, they're saying that their reputation will reduce because they have certain standards. They have been producing this vaccine with their name. So suppose if we give our technology to our other companies, if they produce this vaccine with less less quality, what will happen? There will be effect on the people. With that, their reputation will get reduced. That is one thing. Okay. Next, what they are saying is, if we give this technology to others, we will not be able to recover our R&D. The other point they're showing, what will happen if these things happen? This R&D, I mean, these companies will be showing less reluctant to next next any pandemic happens, right? They will be showing less interest in innovations, right? They will not be coming up with innovations R&D. That is the thing. Even Bill Gates is against this technological transfer. But there are a lot of controversies happening in Biden on all those things. Even a few senators, all those congresspersons are suggesting, why don't we give access vaccines to the other countries rather than transferring the technology? They are coming up with this time. Even the pharma companies are saying, if you start now, the time these kind of, I mean, if we give this technological transfer to other countries, what will happen? It will take 2 to 3 months to start producing this vaccine, because there is a lot of technology involved. We need to bring in all those components, all those API, all those stuff. So there a lot of time will happen. This is what excuses these pharma companies are giving. But a lot of controversies happening. But we have to wait. Even recently, 2 to 3 days back, our MEA, Ministry of External Affairs, Jaishankar has gone to US and met with those pharma companies. Issues are happening. We have to wait what will be going on. Okay. See, what did I will be recapping again. See, I have explained you about inactivated, that is Covaxin, non-replicating viral vector. First thing, that is a Covishield. And this is simply directly, what is this thing is protein. So directly through vaccine, we are giving proteins into our body. That is spikes, which we have produced in pharmaceutical companies. There are a lot of things, right? They will do. They have a lot of things. They directly produce this spike protein in factories itself and directly inject into the humans. That is the thing. See, this vaccine uses a part of the virus to build an immune response in a targeted fashion. Directly, they will inject the spike proteins into our body. In this case, the part of the virus being targeted would be spike protein. That is it. We have already known about this mRNA. So, so you have understood, right? Simple thing. I have tried to explain these things with a layman, in layman manner, right? Reducing all those technical stuff. You must have must have understood these things, right? I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and share my channel and subscribe to it. Thank you. All the best.